I'm very free. Like my girlfriend will go like, babe, do you get? I'm that guy that you sleep in my room, sleep on my bed. Nothing will happen.
And no like respect for your girl, boundaries.
If my girlfriend is in Abuja, for instance, let's say she's in Lugbe and I'm in Kubwa, because I'm trying to give it a distance. Let's say it's like she's in mainland and I'm in island, Lagos, Abi. Woman already come my house.
So it's something you do when she's not around.
That's what I'm trying to put to you now, but like it's a conversation we're having now. She knows I can, if a girl's in my house, I can video call her. She knows them by, she'll ask me, who is this person? Do you get my point? It's transparency. She has friends that I don't, like male friends. I'm not like insecure. I'm not going to start telling you, don't talk to this person, don't talk to that person.
Relationship is based on trust.
100%. 100%. Because if I can't sleep at night knowing that you are somewhere else, why am I with you? Why am I with you? You're an adult.